Trying to get it toward the front of the net, but that's retrieved by the Canes, and they're able to clear it the other way. Skinner had it knocked away, then got it back, shoots, and a save by Crawford. Rebound Lindholm. Rolled it up the board. Falk. No lane. Put it across. Here's a long shot. Tippins, they rebound, they score! Corey Crawford made the initial save. McClement there for the putback. And Hainsey will turn him right back around. Eric Gustafson pushed it up the board. Held in Versteeg. Sent it out in front. Quick shot. Stahl. And a save by Crawford. Good bid for Eric Stahl. Chris Versteeg. And it's cleared up the boards, and the race is on. Kane's going to get there. Here's a drive and a shot and a save by Crawford on Versteeg. Rebound. Didn't get loose. He'll chip it deep. Deep challenge by McClement. It's cleared up the boards. Held in a long shot. Slave, and they score. That was another redirect. Appeared to be Riley Nash off the net on the near side. Well, you think about the Carolina future on D. Here's a long shot by Falk and a save by Crawford. Rebound. He made a second save on Nordstrom. Back out to Falk. He'll try again. Crawford made the save. He was checked as the puck arrived, and back come the Canes. Going to have a 2-on-1. Versteeg is the trigger man. Chris Versteeg centered it. Here's a shot and a save. They score! Chris Versteeg set up John Michael Lyles. A 2-on-1 with the D-man. Carolina had something going there. Now a shot off the side of the net. Picked back up by the Canes. They keep the heat on. Slavin to the middle. Will go across, then get it back a one-timer. Save. Darling, who had a good look. Missed Taves with a pass. Teravainen to Gustafson. Teuvo Teravainen on a one-timer. Save. Lack. Rebound to the Canes. A McClement clear. Go power play.
That's all about adjustments when it comes to the man advantage.
Philip Deneau stepped in, weaves to the forehand, shooting right on, and a save by Lack. A neat rush by Philip Deneau. Keith made a neat play. Here comes Rasmussen. Might have a 3-on-2. Panik going wide. Panik centered it. Rasmussen didn't get a lot on the shot. And two Hawks ran into Lack. Stahl put it in behind. Lester Shield grabbed by Seabrook. Stahl came out of there with it. Looks to center. Good stick. Darling. Rebound. A shot to score! Joakim Nordstrom has scored in 3 straight games for Carolina. Canes having their way with the Blackhawks. Here's Skinner. Looks to center, broken up. Scuderi came in front of shot. They score! Riley Nash. As the Canes kept the heat on. And his pass stolen by Nash. Riley Nash with a give and go, put it out in front. Here's a shot. Darling to save. Rebound deflected just over top of the net.
And you just can't afford to bring the guys to the rink. They got to get their rest, and I think that's what separated Joel Quenneville from a lot of coaches in this league.
Jordan Stahl, and a save by Darling.
He was heating up well as a rookie as Jack Eichel. He scored an incredible goal tonight. Beautiful wraparound, and so some terrific young players in the National Hockey League.
Here's the shot, fought off by Darling. Now he's 6.5 minutes away from shutting out the Blackhawks. Nordstrom in and out of the glove of Darling. Rebound. That shot smothered out in front of the net. But picked off, and out comes Jordan Stahl. Lestrashil down low. Threw it out in front. Skinner. And a point-blank save made by Darling.
I mean, Carey Price has been off for the majority of the year. I mean, he got off to another incredible start. But the way he's played, the numbers, been incredible.
Good glove save by Lack on Panik to Justin Falk. Then Eric Stahl in. Dropped it to Di Giuseppe to Stahl. That missed. Hainsey will try. And a save by Darling. But stopped them all. He will pick up his second shutout of the year and the 8th of his career. It's over in Carolina.